Globus Gates, we're here with our customers. Couple words about the job.
Man, nothing but good things to say about Globus Gates. And you can see behind me the quality of the work, amazing. Ronnie is the real deal. You know, I've seen the videos and stuff before we decided to go with Globus, and Ronnie didn't disappoint. Price on point. All the competitors that pulled up for a very similar product, mediocre, terrible pricing, bad lead times. Ronnie got it done quick, professional, and as you can see, the whole job is on point.
Appreciate you, man. That's what we're here for. We're here
Ronnie.
for clients. We want a happy, we want to smile, and we don't want to reduce on our quality. Globus Gates, we are professional installation crew, and the product is on point. We're really focused on giving the customer the best product possible, mostly 100% aluminum, so you don't have to deal with rust, and then getting you massive gates with all kind of different designs. Just like you said, we're on point.
Yeah,
most
definitely. Globus
Thank
Gates.
You. All right.
Appreciate you guys.
All right, my man. Thank
Yep.
you. Globus Gates, welcome back. We're out here in Calabasas getting you their silky smooth jobs. We're still on install, it's pretty noisy, but we got the slim look and I'm just loving it. And there's a big gate. This is super huge gate. It's your entry. You want to have a big gate on the front. It's looking sharp. Super heavy duty frame. Our 45-degree frame just does a blast job. It's aluminum gate, but you can feel a real gate. It doesn't feel like a mismatch. It's just a contractor line gate. That's how we like to use as the term. And then on the pillars, you got that slim look following. It's not done. We're not done yet. So it's not the cleanest yet. Still gotta go and put some covers, get your painting, some touch-ups, and cleaning. Very clean job. Globus Gates, like the customer said, super on point price. We got a lot of competitors that come quote the job. He didn't like the attitude. He didn't like how the salesman approached. Very pushy. Globus Gates, we relax, tranquilo, no problem. We already know if you're the customer for us, you're the customer for us. We're not gonna push on you, and we already know price is on point, product is on point, and I can say it 100%. Price is the best in the market for what we're offering. Heavy duty 11 gauge frames, built-in beautiful hinges that are super advanced systems, all nice, clean cut stoppers. Customer ordered a special keypad that I have never seen before. I'm always on a slag kind of guy, but I'll show it to you. It's kind of on the pricey side, but I think it's worth it because it's very clean. I'll show it to you in a minute. This is the lock the customer got. It's Level Lock Plus, it's called. You can do it from your phone, smart app. And they also have a version that is a keypad as well. I really like this, first time using. What I like about it, this is the back. So you don't have that big bulky box on the inside that can get weathered. This is just, that's the front, that bolt. And then the back is just the tumbler, right there, the tumbler. So, and then you said the battery goes into the deadbolt, which is absolutely amazing. I've never seen something like that. Yeah, it says the invisible smart lock, which is damn is. And then the matte color. A lot of lock companies don't offer matte color. I like that. Is matching our gates. Phenomenal. Great lock. We'll see how that goes. We'll contact the company, get more information about this, and see how that goes. Maybe offer our clients. Globus Gates, like we said, getting you top level quality. Come visit our shop. As we said, tranquilo, simple, easy, no pushy, no sell techniques, no loop, no game. Straight up, the American way, USA way, the way we like to do it. And see this job? That's all 100% aluminum, US made, 6063 T6, which is your highest grade of aluminum you can do for gates, and you don't need more than that. 11 gauge frame on the gates. You got post, slim caps with no screws, just a phenomenal slim look. We're focusing, Globus Gates, on manufacturing slim, clean, but affordable, but more important, never cut down on quality, because you're opening this gate multiple times a day. You want that to be super heavy duty. We have an engineering that our hinge is catching a 2-point variation that gives you a stability, and you know that your hinge is going to survive for a long time. And coming soon, a custom hinge, 6-inch, beautiful, just made for Globus Gates only. Gates exclusivity. Also, contractors, if you're interested in getting products like Globus Gates, not a problem, call us and we'll contact you with the manufacturer direct, and you get awesome pricing, exclusive deals for contractors and homeowners. You're a no-brainer over here with Globus Gates. As I said, wow, water spectacular. Let's show you around a little bit. All right, a little close look on the gate. Beautiful setup. It's a big gate. It's almost 5 feet gate. Right here, you got your stopper and everything all intact, super clean, everything same matching color. We go with a strong post on where we need to. We don't want any unnecessary callbacks. So, you know, slamming points and stuff. You want everything intact, strong and nice. That's the lock I was talking about. I'll show you the inside in a minute. Anyway, there you go. That's a super clean look. Globus Gates, get us out there because it's worth your value and it will put a high value on your house and it will look good for a long term. Powder coating lasts a heck of a long time, way better than metal. Aluminum won't rust on you. The gates are just super, super clean, super nice. And the variations that you can do, diagonal, vertical, horizontal. We have all kind of laser cut design that we do with our CNC shop machine. We can do all kind of laser cut designs that we do with our CNC machine. Anything you can think of, dolphins, monkeys, we'll put it on your gate. Or if you want just a slim look, there you go. All right, we're inside. Come close, see this. There's your inside. That's it. You don't have that big box, anything. That's all it is. It's pretty clean. Like that. You do it on your phone and all that. Globus Gates getting you those silky smooth, 100% quality, 100% best price, 100% best service. And you hear it from our clients. All right, Globus Gates, I'm out.